What's going on, everybody? Today we're talking about seat back organization, Agency6, their molle seat back panel. What's going on, everybody? Today we're talking about seat back organization, Agency6, their molle seat back panel, which goes in the back of your Sprinter van's seat like so. So let me take you along on the journey to remove this. One of the first things that you're going to want to do is make sure you have your Torx bit, and there's two Torx bit screws right here. This is a T20, and I'll leave everything in the description below, but we're going to take this off and we're going to take this over to the workbench. Let's get after it. A little light pull. Oh, there it is. I was able to pull this off with one hand. So you can see it has a few hooks that go into the back of the seat there. Anyways, that's the next step. So let's get over to the workbench and see what we're going to do next. All right, so we got the panel on the bench here, and now it's just about getting everything lined up. For me, I'm thinking I'm going to want it to have lined up flush or flat to the marking for this hole, obviously up to the side on both, and it will come up right to that radius. Now it's time to mark the holes. As far as hardware is concerned, you have the bolts, you have some nuts and some spacers, and I'm measuring probably a 1/4 inch drill bit, but we're going to go ahead and get that squared away really fast and get it mounted up. So I got everything kind of mounted up. 1/4 inch drill bit works. The bolt heads themselves are a T25. You'll need a 12mm socket that I just have loosely kind of put everything up, and it's looking good. So now it's just a matter of tightening everything down and going and mounting it the back of the van. Okay, so I just now reattached it to the back of the Sprinter seat here. You'll want to make sure that you want to start from the top and kind of angle it in and make sure everything's nice and tucked in and pushed in. And the other thing that I notice is this little plastic flap wants to be on the outside of this naturally, but once you kind of push it underneath, then you're lined up and we're ready for the screw holes. That's about it. Now I can mount stuff in the back of this, whether that's going to be put my trash can back there again versus having the trash can mount here, but I can also put other accessories that I'll show you that I have plans for. Okay, we got a few things mounted up here. We got a little My Medic first aid kit. I got a flashlight mounted, a carabiner so I could hook stuff on the back, but overall this is super clean. What's great is I can have a bunch of different accessories here that are accessible when we're parked, even if I rotate the seat around, but I can also reach these things while I'm driving if I needed, say, to get something out of here. I've seen other things where you can have like a holder for like an extra water bottle or thermos, but I got plenty of that up there. So anyways, that's it. I hope you guys found this informational. Like I said, it was super quick, super easy. I'll list all the tools that you need, which is just some basic stuff. And if you've been working on a van, you probably have a lot of these things already. But if not, I'll leave some links down below. So anyways, hope you found this informational and helpful. Catch you in the next one. Peace.